Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 98 of Building the Tumbler. This issue, we're putting a little bit more armour panels on the front bit, one of these bits here. But looking at the magazine first, Bats, Lights, Smoke and Ice. One of the most talked about features of Batman and Robin is the present of the back logo on every item the hero uses. I didn't realise. I thought that was the one they just talk about the bat nipples a lot. Apparently the Batman ties to the Batman Robin car have got logo on it. Apparently they're on everything. I hadn't noticed. I'd have to go back and watch again to see. Thomas Wayne, Knight of Vengeance. Is that I don't know. It's Flashpoint. So oh yeah, Ultimate Timeline, so different. This is probably, is that Batman's dad? Interesting way of restarting everything, Flashpoint. There you go. So yes, this is the panel 7 and 8 and 2 screws to hold it in place. It simply puts in underneath the suspension thing, and yeah, and then the cover goes over the screw hole basically to make it look nice. And it looks like that, which is starting to look very, very nice. Yeah, next time is the same on the other side, so that should be just as easy, assuming this one works quite well. So let's clear it out of the way. Let's have a look. Right, so this is what we've got. We've got CM screws. Get 2 of those out. Let's get 3 of those out and then put one back. Pile of screws over there. Don't need that quite yet. We do need that, and the screws and a screwdriver. And we are attaching it to what is getting heavier by the minute. The car. It's going on here. And it's going on there. A bit like that. So I do need to get to it from the other side to screw that in place. It looks like I'm going to be putting this under a little bit of tension, stop it going down quite as far as it does, which isn't a problem, but I'll get that lined up and then we'll see about popping the cover on. Yep, there we go. That's that in there, nice and secure. And this will just pop over the top with the 2 little plugs going into the 2 little holes. Lined up just right. There we go. That's that one. That one there as well. Not. Just double check that I've got it the right way up. The wide bit is on the outside. Should be going in there. Why is that not going in there? Interesting. Can't seem to get that to line up with that. I'm sure it's just a case of me not being able to see where it is from this angle. Definitely about there. Not it. All right, let's get this one back in the right place, and then that should have to line up from the other side, shouldn't it? Can't get this side to line up, I think, either. There, I can see where it is. Pin's still there. Right, let me re-angle this, see where that lines up, and then I'll show you how it fits. Yep, there we go. Just had to get the angles right. So that's gone on there nicely. Nice and secure as well. So that's that all done. Yeah, next time I say we're doing the same over the other side that you can't see for now, but there's nothing there to see at the moment. It's looking good. I'm enjoying it. So join me for the next part very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.